Chakaraka chicha cho chakaloram gando wando lakarakatam akko takko idigidi gidigo idipai vidipai chiki chakacho gili gili mal sulu sulu mal makanaka hukubukure tukubukure chakalaka bikko chikko sili 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 go bagradum chiki chakacho.
My full name is Baby Pramod Kamti. मैं 10th के बाद अपनी पढ़ाई जितना हो सकेगा उतना ज़्यादा करूँगी.
मैं बड़े बनकर टीचर बनना चाहता हूँ.
I've been a financial services professional for 20 years of my life. I just took a break in 2011, and whilst on my break I was trying out various volunteering opportunities, and one of the things that I did at this time was start to teach at a street school on Carter Road. So while I was doing this, I realized the gap in the awareness level, education level, everything that these children got. They were going to school but they couldn't read. They couldn't do basic math. I mean, there were kids who didn't know what certain animals looked like. There was complete lack of awareness, lack of exposure, lack of knowledge. And that really struck me as very, very sad.
We give them individual attention which they love and which they have lacked in their life from whatever interaction I have had with my children. I call them my kids now. So we are a sounding board to them. They come and ask us questions which are not being answered at home from their parents because their parents have no time for them. I think they love the attention which they are getting in Angel Express, and of course their grades also have improved, but more than that, as I said, the confidence to do, I can do this.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हाँ हम जैसे देखें ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले.
What happened was that the realization struck that there are millions of children in this city who need help, who could do with a connect to educated adults. And there are thousands of educated adults who are willing to spare the time, but they don't know where to go or what to do.
I was looking to do something since a long time, in the sense working with children, because I have the time on my hands. I checked out a couple of places. I was not very comfortable or very convinced, but once I came to Angel Express, it's a very transparent organization. You work for the kids, with the kids.
Because I want to become something in my life, and my father is doing so much for me, so I want to show him that my son, now he will become something in his life. If I had not become, so what? My son will do that and show me.
We realize how grateful these children are compared to the students that I taught in school, right? They took things for granted. That doesn't happen over here. Here they are extremely grateful. They welcome you with a warm hug. As you come into the school, they all come around, hug you. Teacher, aap mujhe padhaiye. This year when I went there, some of the students who I taught last in the earlier term, they said, teacher, aap mujhe padhaiye. They came around. It was very nice.
I really like Angel Express because I come to Angel Express and we get breakfast, and there are so nice teachers. I really like because they teach us nicely and they ask us what happened, what you did in morning. We share thoughts with teachers and us, and they teach us maths, English and story books.
I've learned to appreciate, happiness in small things. Like for me, for any of us, when we were kids, we wanted an Xbox or we wanted like a laptop to be very happy. But now I realize, when my kid gives me a star on my hand saying, teacher, today you are the best teacher. For me, that is what makes my day. I don't really need my money or anything else to make me happy.
It's fantastic. I mean, I really don't know whether I'm learning from the kids or they are learning from me. It's just a fantastic experience.
In a way, our lifestyles have changed. We look at life from a different perspective now. We never knew this side of the world before, before we came to Angel Express, and it's helping me to raise my children and put good values in them. Of course, which I try to do it, but this is better off.
Angel Express today needs much better facilities. Like today, since it's raining and all of that, maybe we won't be able to take a class in the afternoon because we don't have enough facilities that will keep the kids safe or from the waterlogging happening. So some better facilities and more volunteers.
Angel Express needs to find people with the heart to do this work. If you are a corporate and you have 100 employees willing to volunteer just 1 hour a week, and with a park or a parking lot or a community hall near you, you can change 100 lives. By just giving 1 hour a week for 15 weeks, 100 people can change 100 lives. For children who will get daily guidance from an educated adult, who will receive mentoring, who will receive values along with academic betterment. Plus, what happens is the moment you set up a center, people want to do a lot of stuff. People want to give away clothes, shoes, toys. People want to give away food. So these children, their nutrition improves, what they have improves, what they go away home to, everything. Their happiness quotient just goes up. They get to go out. We take kids for movies. We take kids to Kidzania. There's somebody who's always ready to do something or the other. So these kids who all they knew was home and school. And now they get to see a lot more of the world. It's brilliant when you see the happiness on their faces when you take them out for a simple movie. You spend $100 on them. The kind of pleasure that they get is worth thousands of rupees when you see that.
I want to become a doctor.